Today we are gonna make some Christmas stars. And we're actually gonna have a challenge. We're gonna see who's gonna make the most colorful, the most pretty, and then Michaela is gonna choose who has the best ones. Are you ready, Momo? Are you gonna win or is Mommy gonna win?
I'm gonna win because I can do this.
Wow. You have a strategy, huh? Okay, so we're gonna take this old Weet Bix box, cut it up into some squares. We're going to decorate the squares, and then Mommy is gonna make some Christmas stars because Christmas is coming up. What do you want for Christmas, Milo?
Those dinos.
Which dinosaurs?
The dinosaurs from...
And only dinosaurs?
Yep.
Okay.
The dinosaurs and the dragons.
And the dragons?
And the cars.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Are you ready for this? And then what's the prize? If Michaela chooses me, what do I get?
Jim Jam!
A Jim Jam cookie! And if you win, you get a Jim Jam cookie. So let's do this thing. Are you ready?
And maybe we both can have Jim Jam.
Maybe. We'll see. Alright, ready? Let's do this thing. First I have to cut up this box into squares. Ready, set, go!
This kind of looks like blood. See?
It does, but we're not doing Halloween. We're doing Christmassy.
Yeah. I lost the Lilo.
Moment of truth, Michaela. Who you're gonna choose? Which one you gonna choose? You chose Kuya? And Mommy?
Both of us.
I think you're the winner, Momo. She chose yours first. Look, she's so excited. Mommy. That's all yours. Momo's the winner.
What's Canola?
Good job, Momo. Ooh, ooh.
I go with friends.
So you can have your cookie?
Yes.
Oh, foo-foo. Next time me, huh? Here comes your prize. Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to take these beautiful works of art and I am going to cut them up and create a star that we can hang for Christmas. So I'm going to take my square, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to fold it in half again. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut parallel to the longest side of the triangle. I've made 3 cuts. You can make 4. Once the cuts are done, I'm going to reopen my square. And then I'm going to take the innermost corners and bring them together. I'm going to flip over my square and do the same with the next corners. I'm going to sellotape them shut. And I'm going to keep going like this until it gets to the end. And it forms like a very beautiful pattern. Once all 6 corners are done of my star, I'm going to bring them together and I'm going to sellotape them first in the middle to attach them all together, and then I'm going to sellotape the sides too, just to make it a little bit more, I don't know, stable. And voila! I totally forgot to do the other side, so the Weet-Bix sign is like coming through, but I kind of like that. You can kind of see it's been recycled into something beautiful. Lots of love from the A Little Kids Family Diary. Mwah.